Ever struggle to navigate a website on your mobile device? You're not alone. Imagine this. You're trying to make a quick purchase from your favorite online store, but the text is too small, the images are off-center, and the buttons are virtually impossible to tap. Frustrating, isn't it? This is a classic example of a non-responsive website. In our multi-device world where people surf the web on everything from smartphones to large desktop monitors, responsive web design has become more than a trend. It's a must. It's about creating websites that adapt to the screen size and orientation of the device in use, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. Not only does it improve usability and accessibility, but it also contributes to better SEO rankings. So it's clear, a well-designed responsive website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. With that in mind, we're going to delve deeper into the world of responsive web design. So what is responsive web design? Simply put, responsive web design is an approach to creating websites that adapt to the size and orientation of the user's device. This could be a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. The core principle here is fluidity. Like water taking the shape of its container, a responsive website should flow and adapt to fit the screen it's viewed on. But why is this important? Well, in today's digital age, people use a variety of devices to browse the web. One moment they might be on their desktop computer, the next they're scrolling through their phone. A responsive website ensures that no matter the device, users have a seamless and user-friendly experience. This adaptability is achieved using a combination of flexible grids, flexible images, and media queries. These three technical ingredients allow the website to respond to the user's behavior and environment based on screen size, platform, and orientation. Now that we know what responsive web design is, let's explore some tips and tricks to master it. Ready to level up your web design skills? Let's get started. Our first tip is all about the mobile-first approach. In the digital age, more and more people are using their mobile devices to browse the web. So, it makes sense to design your website with mobile devices in mind from the get-go. This means creating a design that looks and works great on a small screen and then scaling it up for larger devices. Next, let's talk about using flexible grids and layouts. This is where CSS frameworks come into play. They allow you to create fluid layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. For instance, a 3-column layout on a desktop might become a single-column layout on a mobile device. This gives your design the flexibility it needs to provide a top-notch user experience on any device. With these two tips, you're already on your way to creating better responsive designs. But there's more. Let's continue our journey into mastering responsive web design. The third tip is all about media queries. These are handy tools in CSS that allow you to target different screen sizes and apply specific styles. For example, you can use a media query to change the font size when the screen width is less than 600 pixels. Moving on to our final tip, responsive images. It's essential to optimize your images for various devices to ensure they don't slow down your website on smaller screens. Techniques like ASRC asset and sizes attributes can be real game changers. For instance, the SRC asset attribute lets the browser choose the best image version based on the device's resolution and the available space. And there you have it. 4 tips to help you create better, more responsive web designs. Remember, it's all about providing a seamless and user-friendly experience, no matter what device your visitors are using. So, to sum it all up, we've delved into the importance of responsive web design, a crucial skill that enhances user experience and boosts SEO rankings. We've defined what it is, a design approach that ensures your website adapts to any device. And we've shared 4 key tips to master it: adopting a mobile-first approach, using flexible grids and layouts, implementing media queries, and optimizing images for various devices. Remember, a good web design is responsive, user-friendly, and adaptable. Happy designing!